In this week's Silver Report Weekly Wrap-Up, we have Apple preparing for slowing iPhone demand and Facebook. Oh boy, Facebook. Welcome back to the Silver Report's Weekly Wrap-Up, where we take a look at a few of the biggest stories that impacted the financial markets over the past week. On Monday, the market was up 178 points. It appeared the market was still excited about last Friday's job report. Apple had its developers conference on Monday, and that had a big influence on the market. And Microsoft's acquisition of GitHub also had an impact on the market. Twitter is set to replace Monsanto on the S&P 500. It's been a good 12 months for Twitter stockholders. Also on Monday, we got news that Starbucks chairman Howard Schultz is stepping down. I expect a presidential run for him. We'll have to wait and see. On Tuesday, the market closed down 13 points. The S&P 500 was up 1 point, and the Nasdaq continued to make new highs, closing up 31 points. Starbucks continued to decline as the markets processed the news of Howard Schultz leaving the company. And Ambarella reported earnings beating revenue estimates and beating EPS estimates by 4 cents. The company's guidance wasn't what Wall Street expected, and the stock price fell in after-hours trading. On Wednesday, the market closed up 346 points as traders attempted to put the trade war rhetoric behind it. Some news holding back the markets came from Facebook, which admitted to collaborating with at least 4 Chinese companies on sharing user data. Then we had news of the Medicare fund being insolvent by 2026 and the Social Security fund being insolvent by 2034. And Five Below beat EPS estimates by 3 cents and revenue estimates by $5.2 million. On Thursday, the Dow closed up 95 points. Some news that moved the markets: McDonald's announced layoffs as it plans to cut $500 million in administrative expenses by the end of the year. The stock rallied on the news. The market can be a cold place sometimes. Facebook came public with information that a software bug sent people's private posts to public. They just can't get it together over there. Warren Buffett and Jamie Dimon want to put an end to quarterly profit forecasts. I don't agree with Buffett on this one. And Broadcom reported earnings on Thursday, beating EPS estimates by 12 cents and revenue estimates by 10 cents. On Friday, the Dow closed up 75 points. Some news moving the markets: Apple warned suppliers of slowing iPhone demand. That sent Apple shares lower, as well as suppliers like Skyward Solutions. Investors took to Monster Beverage after the company's management gave a positive outlook at their annual meeting. Overall, the S&P, Dow, and Nasdaq were up for the week. Hope this is the start of a bull run. In crypto news, Bitcoin continues to trade in a range similar to the Dow. Bitcoin was trading at $76.47 at the time of this recording. Ethereum was trading at $5.97. Litecoin was trading at $119, and Ripple was trading at 67 cents. Crude oil closed the week at $65.60 per barrel. A big winner for the week, HUYA Incorporated, which had a 20% increase from last week. This week we couldn't find a big loser outside of penny stocks, which we really don't cover. The latest issue of the Silver Report is available at SevilReport.com. It's our quarterly digital newsletter. If you're looking to get started investing or just need a few investment ideas for your portfolio, we suggest you check it out. Thanks again for checking out the Silver Report Weekly Wrap-Up. This channel and website are dedicated to anyone who wants to start investing but isn't sure how or where to start. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Have a great weekend, like and subscribe, and may your next investment be your best investment. See you next week.